Heroes, attention! You want to stay fit but also want to enjoy your Netflix show? 1 minute and 30 seconds is all you need. Welcome to the Netflix and Pump series. Don't skip the intro of your favorite show yet. Instead, use this time to get a super quick but effective workout done. Our friend here likes anime and he's watching One Punch Man right now. A typical anime opening is around 1 minute and 30 seconds. Just enough time to get them muscles working. 6 exercises, 15 seconds each, no rest in between. Are you ready? Let's do this. Oh boy, it's time to level up. For more level ups, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, share this video, and click the bell. That's it for today's episode. See you soon. Gangwon out!